Hey everyone, Lauren here, and I'm going to share with you my go-to all-purpose, all-natural cleaner recipe. So before I start and before I go through this whole recipe with you, I first wanted to begin by telling you why I choose to use all natural products, specifically do-it-yourself, make your own at-home products. So a lot of the chemicals, unfortunately, in a lot of the products you can find at the grocery store, the supermarket, have very dangerous chemicals in them. I'm sure you've already heard about this. I know we're all becoming more aware, but for me, those chemicals are simply not worth it. I choose to make my own because I know exactly what's going inside of my products. A lot of those chemicals, unfortunately, can disrupt our hormones, even cause cancer, and I have a little guy at home, so it can affect his respiratory system as well. So making my own is totally worth it to keep my family, my son, my pets safe at home. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into this all-purpose cleaner recipe. So to get started, I have equal parts distilled water and white vinegar. And I'm making a recipe, although I have a 16-ounce spray bottle, I'm going to use this recipe that yields 8 ounces. So I'm going to mix the half cup of white vinegar and half cup of distilled water in my container here. I like to mix everything just together, and then I'll pour it together in here with a funnel once it's all set. This recipe is so easy to make. I literally take probably 2 minutes every couple weeks or so to make this. So you can use whatever essential oils you choose. Personally, I love lemon and tea tree together. So I'm gonna use these two. Let's see, I've got lavender, peppermint, tea tree. So I'm gonna use lemon and tea tree. These are both really, really great essential oils to clean with. The lemon essential oil is a wonderful antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, degreaser, and it smells amazing. I love the fresh lemon smell in my kitchen especially. So lemon I love for that reason. And then tea tree is an antibacterial, antiviral as well, antifungal, kills germs and mold. So I love these two essential oils together. And I am going to do 25 drops of each to make 50 drops total. Other essential oils that you can use together for cleaning or for anything really, I love these essential oils. Eucalyptus is a great essential oil when it comes to cleaning. Peppermint as well, antibacterial, antifungal. Lavender, believe it or not, a lot of people love the smell of lavender, but what I love about essential oils, it's not just about the smells. They actually help to solve problems while smelling good. So lavender is a great one, antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial. There's so many essential oils that are great for cleaning. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump 25 drops of lemon and 25 drops of tea tree. Okay, so I've got my mixture. I've got the water, the vinegar, and the essential oils all mixed together. Now I'm going to use a funnel to put it into my 16-ounce spray bottle. And that's it, so simple. So I'll put my sprayer in here and I'm all set. So I can use this on my kitchen counters, in my bathroom, pretty much anywhere I want to disinfect. And you wanna shake it before every single use. I will put a little label on the front just so I know it's my all-purpose cleaner, but I love that I know exactly what is inside of this spray.